Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Zedge application into your device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to download the Zedge application, if you are in Android, just simply open the Play Store application, or if you are in iOS, just simply open the App Store. After opening either the Play Store or the App Store, just simply search for Zedge into there, and after searching the Zedge application into there, this Zedge wallpapers and ringtone application with the white and purple logo will appear. You just simply have to tap into this install button and wait for the application to install. The application will shortly be installed depending on your internet connection, and you can easily serve the world of wallpapers and ringtone into Zedge. By following these very easy steps, you can easily download Zedge application into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.